Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be going over a product that just launched today, and I'm going to actually be picking up the product right now, kind of going through the sales process first, showing you some tips on one of the bump upgrades, how you can actually get that for like more than half the price of what the normal cost of the product is. So I'm going to go through this. I'm going to show you what the product is real quick. Then I'm actually buying the product right now, and then I'm going to pause. I'm going to go check out the product and check it all out and all that, and then I'll come back and finish my review and let you know what I think. So right here, real quick. We're on eKit Hub, and I have been using their stuff and promoting their last couple launches, and they seem to really put out some very high quality kits that you can use in your Amazon KDP business, your Etsy business, and any other, Redbubble, all that sort of thing, right? Anything that's print on demand. And so what's cool about them is they are putting out products that you can utilize in several ways, not just journals, but they're also putting out, where you can actually use them as printables and all kinds of other stuff and put them on mugs. And, it's just like a real full package. And so they have a lot of kits in here, right? You could end up spending a lot of money buying all the kits, but they're all very high quality. Some of the highest quality of PLR printable products like this that I have seen. And so their latest one that just came out right now that I want to tell you about, and if you're interested in it, go ahead and click the link below. But it's the wealth mindset, right? So we're going to click on that and just check it out real quick. So we have the wealth mindset, and you can see how you're going to get all this stuff. 228 pieces of wealth mindset content to create endless instant products. You get a 72-page mindset reframing journal. You can see all the different graphics. The card deck is just really, really nice, really beautiful. And then they already give you preset. I'm going to show you the inside of this in just a sec, so stay tuned in the video. But already ready to go. Like you can upload these on Etsy, which is really cool. I'm planning on actually picking this up and doing that myself. But we can go through this. I'll show you the inside of the product, but you can see they have nice graphics and what they'll look like in real life, and then nice journals and all that. I like the card decks that they've came out with. Like right here, you can see that just the graphics are super nice on these right here. And this one was my favorite that I looked at. Like just the different greens and the darker colors, they just really pop out. And the graphics for these quotes are just looking really, really, really fantastic. So then they do a breakdown on what the cost of creating this item is. But so here's the thing, during the launch, it's a 5-day launch period. And if you pick this up right now, you can get it for under $12 right here, under $12. The normal price is going to be $37. And just so you know, they really do raise their prices. Sometimes they're on sale, but I want to show you what I'm going to be doing right now. So you can go to add to cart. It's going to take you over, right? And if you already have an account, you've already bought some of their products before, just go ahead and log in. But they're doing a bump sale right here. So the positive affirmations e-kit, you can pick it up for under $10. So you can pick that up for $10, right? So you would just click this box and then go through the order page, right? And so I just wanted to really tell you about that, because we'll go back over here to the main page and we go over to the positive affirmation kit that was a few launches back, right? And we click on that. Let's go check out what their normal price on that right now is. If without getting the special, right, you get all kinds of awesome printables and quotes there and all that. So we're going to come through here, and you get a full kit, these are giant posters right here. These are posters that are ready to go in big print. And you have all these other it's a full kit. These look really, really nice. Each one of these can be a product of their own. Essentially, you could have 228 products to launch. And then we're just going to come down here and check out the price. So right now, the normal price is $37, but right now on their everyday price right now, they are going with a $25 price tag. So you will save at least $15 for picking it up. With the sale. So when you come in and buy this and you come over to the page, if you want more, you want to double what you're going to get, then you can go ahead and get that order bump. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and come back. I'm going to go and check out the product, and I'll come back and show you the inside of the product. All right, so we are back. Made the purchase. I actually did get the bump upgrade, and so now I got 2 products. Cost me about $21, and I'm set. I have over like 500 different products that I can actually go and publish on Etsy or any other platform. We can use these for Amazon, all kinds of other platforms. So I'm going to show you the inside of, I did buy both, but in this short video, because this is the Wealth Mindset e-kit starter pack, I'm only going to show you the inside of the Wealth Mindset pack, but I did buy both. You can actually see, so thank you, a Wealth Mindset right there. And then you can see over here, we also got the Affirmations Printables pack right here that I bought as well. So that's what it'll look like. You'll have your 3 main downloads, right? You have your wall art, your journals, and then your card decks. So we're going to go and check, and then you just download those. They come into a zip file down here. And then we're going to go ahead and go and check all those out real quick. So I already saved the time by already doing the unpacking of the zip files. So we have the wall art. You're going to get your terms and service and license and all that. And then there's free PSD editors if you don't have Photoshop and all that. So here's the wall art, and I have adjusted my computer to show the previews. You can just go to YouTube and kind of type in how to change the way that PDFs look on your computer natively. And so mine show as pictures, right? And so that's really cool. I don't have to open each one up to show you. You can actually see the PDF and what it looks like. Just from the preview right here. So that's really cool. So here we are. Be brave enough to be bad at something. And then you have, so you have the PDF, then you have a PNG of that, and then you have the Photoshop version. So that's really cool. You can take the Photoshop version, go into Photoshop, and you can edit these. You can also go into, like I said, the free Photoshop editors and all that kind of stuff. So, and I think that there's also ways to, maybe that's another tutorial, to like convert a PSD to like a Canva file. So you could actually edit these in Canva as well. So there you go. You have that one. And then these are the big print, the wall prints, right? And so I want to check out like the PNG, and I like to go to properties, and I like to just kind of go to details and see, like, these are huge, 1800 pixels by 2300 pixels. I have a converter open, so 1800 to 2300. So if we come over here, 1800 to 2300 by inches, that's 24 by 30 inches. So huge posters. You'll be able to print those out as big as you want, and those will look really nice on people's walls. So you're going to get really high quality with these, right? You can open them up and check out the PNG files as well, and they're going to be just really high quality, right? So we can go through and look at these. Don't talk, act, don't say, show, don't promise, prove. Embrace the challenge. That one's really cool. I want that on a t-shirt. Every mistake you make is progress. That's a great one for a t-shirt or a mug. Get up, dress up, show up, never give up. Good, better, best, never let it rest, right? And so this is just really, really high quality content. Greatness is not a destination. It is a journey. Now you could go and create these in Photoshop or Canva, but you know what? It takes a lot of time to do these designs. And that's the beauty of buying these, is that they did all the hard work for you. They have professional designers doing all this stuff for you. Yes, this can be designed by you, but you know, I used to be doing my own designs, and it just takes a long time and it takes a lot of work. So right here, you get a ton of content for a very low price. Mindset. The noun, what separates the best from the rest. The things you are passionate about are not random. They are your calling. And so that's the big printouts, right? So then we will go in and let's check out the rest of it. So let's go check out the journals, right? So you have the Mindset Reframing Journal, and they do have a help guide. I really like that. This is just very high quality. From what I'm seeing, after looking at all of the different tools and information you get. So, you know, inside the editing, you know, for them to give you a help guide and the license on every asset you get, I just really like that. So you have e-covers. You know, these aren't the best covers. You're going to want to change these out. You know, you're not going to want to just throw these ones up. I like these for examples. You know, these are nice for you know, of what this can look like and what it should look like, but definitely changing out even just the image. Let's open up this PowerPoint and see what this looks like. Like, I don't know if you can edit one of the covers in here. Oh yeah, absolutely. So you got enable editing. They have a nice cover in here. You can actually change text here. So they have a nice template here. You can go in here and change out the change picture. And then we're just going to go with a stock image for fun. Even inside PowerPoint, you know, they have some stuff, and you can go online and get some stuff too. So we're just going to go images. We're going to say mind, just see what shows up for mind. Not much, but let's just grab one just for fun and throw that in there, right? So, and then right here you can put motivation journal or something like that, right? So fully editable, which in PowerPoint, which is really cool. Then you can take this graphic and then you can go and check out some of my other tutorials on how to make these 3D graphics and all that. So I really like that. You're getting a cover, they're giving you a template, and then they're also, if you did want to use these, you could use them. I don't recommend using these images here. I recommend going in and changing it. And then let's see, you go back to the other one, wealth building. So you have a wealth building, you have e-covers here. Right here, and then they also are going to have the e-cover version there. But but there was another part I didn't show you on the other one. So wealth building journal. So here is what the journal is going to look like, and you can make edits to the journal. So look at this, just beautiful journal, really, really nice, high quality journal here, and it's ready to go. Right? Let's go take a look at that other one real quick that I didn't show you. So that's the wealth building. Then we have the mindset journal. This is what the mindset journal will look like. Boom. And just really high quality, positive thought, you know, different prompts daily, and then a big journal for the day. And then your positive thought, what you're learning that day, what you believe, grateful for, a promise. So this is a great daily journal as well. So that is the journals. And then let's, what I think is the best for last, let's go and check out the card decks, right? So reframe your money mindset card deck, and you get all kinds of stuff. You get the PSDs, you get the PowerPoint, we'll open that one up. You get the PNG text files, you get the marked up PNGs for commercial printing. So the PNGs, you can come in here and just start checking these out. We'll pop that open. And this is the card deck. You can take these and even just build your business and your social media profiles and just post these on social media, right? And these are just really, really nice. You know, the amount of time that goes into creating all of this, it's insane how much time goes into creating all of these graphics. I mean, this is a ton of content, and they're just really, you know, every little thing, changing the font on a few of the texts, and then, you know, changing the color. And this is even a color that's bolded. That's a different, you know, it just pops and looks really well. And then right here, we'll go ahead and open that one up as well. And you can see how these are actually ready to print out and actually, like, you know, cut into cards. So you could print these on card paper and it's ready to go in PowerPoint. This is just awesome. And you can even hand these out on Etsy so people can actually use this to do their printing. So another thing that I get, you know, just wanted to check out was on these cards. So that's one card deck. There is another card deck, the wealth building card deck. We will go ahead and just check out the images as well. This one was my favorite one, actually, for the entire package. This one was my favorite product because I think that the way that the green and kind of the dark blue and black go together, it just looks super slick right here. And I like how on some of these they also put you know, a little coffee mug there. That would be great even on a t-shirt. And I'm going to show you how this is big enough to pretty much use any way you want these card decks. So if you grab one and just right click and go to properties and go to details, you're actually getting a 750 pixel by 1050. So I go back over to my converter and you go 750 by 124. So you're getting 10 by 13. That's plenty big. You know, it's way bigger than an 8.5 by 11. So this is plenty big to make journals and t-shirts and put it on pretty much any product. So you can actually use those. You can actually use the card decks in any way you want to actually, and you could grab these and throw them in Canva and kind of redesign them and things like that. So that's the product. I do give it a 10 out of 10. This is a high quality product that you can actually take and use in your business. So these are the products that I really do enjoy promoting and enjoy buying for myself and my own business, because you get so much, and it is actually products, these are actually products that you can take and offer value to people. And, these aren't softwares. These are actually assets for your POD business. And so this is a great product. I highly recommend. If you are interested in it, check out the link below and go check it out. Buy it now for the $11 price tag that it has before it goes up to $37 and during the 5-day launch period. I hope you enjoyed this review video. And if you did and you got value, hit that like button, subscribe so you don't miss out on all my other content. I'll see you next time.